Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $434 that I'm putting into my envelopes, and I'm just going to figure out how all of that is going to be put into each one. I just figure out the amounts in this video. And then I also wanted to mention that I have a shop restock. If you're interested in these wallets, I have binders, the envelopes that I use. A lot of the product that you see that I'm going to be using in this video, I will have restocked and stocked in my shop. So definitely check that out because that's going on today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm sure this video is going to come out around that time. So definitely pop over there if you're interested in getting one of these items. So yeah, hopefully you can get your hands on a wallet or a binder or whatever it is that you were looking for, because I know some people have been asking when these were restocking. So I finally have a restock, and then if all this stuff sells out again, I will work on another restock too. So I'm trying to just slowly get my inventory levels up. But yeah, just wanted to mention that that's going on over there. But for now, we're going to go back to cash planning for the week. So $434, I already figured out my wallet. My wallet always gets usually the same amount each week. I have a total of $170, so spending this week will get $30, eating out $30, groceries will get $80, coffee $20, and then buffer will get $10. So that's a total of $170, which leaves me with $264, and I have a ton of envelopes to fill, and also savings challenges and all the things. I try to get something into each envelope. So I won't probably be able to put as much as I normally do because I don't have as much, but I'm going to stretch that $264 to go into a lot of things. So actually the first envelopes I want to focus on are emergency. And I'm thinking, actually, let me see what I did last week. Sometimes I'll look at what I did last week. Let's see, or a week that is somewhat, see, this is like $100 less. And last time I was able to do an emergency 25. So I'm thinking for this week, I'll just do 15 in this one. I try to put the most in this one that I can for the week. Also, extra savings will get 15. And I also have another envelope in this binder that I'm trying to focus on too. So that's what I start with, is the ones that I want to focus on first. So treat yourself, I'm going to put 15 in here too. So those are my like higher priority envelopes that I wanted to work on to get more money in. Everything else, they'll either be more low priority and will get $5 this week, just so that way they get something into them, or maybe they're just like a little bit more important. They'll get a little bit more. Like auto, I feel like it's never a low priority. So this one is going to get 10. Especially since I have an older car. Well, my car's like 8 years old, but I don't have a warranty or anything like that. So things like that come up. I don't know when I'm going to need. I don't think I need new tires anytime soon. My tires are pretty good, but I want to save ahead for those kinds of things when they do come up. Electronics is not a priority, so this one's going to get 5. I already did emergency and extra savings. Furniture, again, not a priority, 5. But honestly, just that 5 every week really adds up, especially if you're not spending from the envelopes each week. Usually I'm planning to save towards something when it comes to most of these envelopes, so they have like a goal in mind for the most part. Month ahead, I'm going to put 10. This will eventually become a higher priority envelope once I'm done with emergency. Rainy day, 5. Registration is already fully, it's actually fully funded, but you know what? I forgot. I actually need to start saving towards this again. So I'm going to put that down here. Registration. I'm just going to put 5. My registration isn't due until March, but I got my statement and I saved $135, but it's actually $170. Usually it goes down, but for whatever reason, it went up this year. But I do live in California, so, you know, they like doing that kind of stuff here. Road trip, 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. Travel, 5. As you can see, lots of 5s. Okay, and then let's go into this binder. Beauty, 5. I actually have a decent amount in this one, so not too, yeah, I have 64, so that'll bring me up to almost 70. Clothing will get 5 as well. Content, oh, okay, this envelope, I'm getting rid of this one, so I'm not adding money into this one anymore. So I'm just leaving this as it is. I'll spend from it, and then eventually I'll get rid of it. Costco, 5. Family, 5. Yeah, I don't have any like family meetup kind of things coming up, so 5 should be good. Gifts is gonna get 5. Home has 65. It's kind of a mess right now. Put the money in funny. Home, I think I get questions about this one too, because I have one called home and I have one called household. So home is more for like decorative items. I want to buy a new comforter. I want to buy like maybe new pillows. Things like that I'll use from home. Household is more for cleaning supplies, things that I need. Oh, paper supplies like toilet paper, paper towels, that kind of stuff. That's what I use household for. So home this week will get 5. Household, 5. I need toilet paper, so I have more than enough. I have 43. I go to Costco, so that's more than enough to get a big pack of toilet paper to hold me over for a bit. Pantry will get 5 this week. And Target will get, I have nothing in Target. It has nothing. I'm gonna put 10 because it has nothing, just to help it out a little bit more. Okay, I have a few more envelopes. I actually want to go, I should have done this first. I should have gone to this one first. Let's see, because I like to play this little power-up game, little challenge. So I gotta get my dice and a little sticky note. Let's see how many times I'm rolling. Hopefully it's not too many times. So let's go with, okay, 2. 2 is good. So let's see what I get. 2, oops, and 2. 2 and 2 is $1. And last roll, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is $1. Okay, so I'm putting $2 whole into this challenge, which I'm totally cool with since this is a light week for the money I have. So that will get 2. All right, that works. And then I will come back to this one in a bit. Let me go to the pink one next. Okay, Go Wild this week, I want to put 10. Disneyland will get 5. Already did that one. Fun, 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas, we'll just get 5, and so will holiday decor. Okay, I feel like that leaves me with a decent amount for savings. But before I move on to that, I want to double check my numbers. I just want to make sure, I don't know, I feel like I messed up somewhere. So I just want to double check before I move on further that I'm good. And then I'll probably triple check it after, just because I like doing that. So I'll do that off camera though. So that way I could just do that really quickly. So far, so good. Didn't mess up. Okay, so I have a few challenges. Let's see. Let's go to this Cash Dash one I have. Okay, the lowest number here is 35, but I don't want to do, I mean, I could. But I'm going to plan for 20 and hope that I have 15 in my wallet, which so far looks like I could have that. And then maybe I could bump it up a little bit. We'll see. But I don't want to put 35. Okay, I'm just going to do 20. Again, since I don't have as much this week, I don't want to take it all for that one challenge. And then I have, let's do the 100 envelope challenge next, which I think I'm just going to do 10 and try to see if I can bump it up with my leftover wallet money. So 10 will go in this one. 100 envelope, 10. Okay, and then I have a few more in here. So let's do the 52 circle. I will plan, okay, I'll plan for 10 on this one too. Okay, and then that leaves me with, I have this January savings. I think I want to do, this is a $10 challenge, so I will do 20. Yeah, 20 is good for that one. So that will leave me with 12. And then I have this $5 challenge. I will do this one with 10. And then I just throw some ones in here. So this will be my $1 challenge, and then I'll get 2. Okay, so that's all the that's all the savings challenges. Those are all the envelopes that I wanted to stuff. All right, so now I think I should be good, but I will just double check again my numbers, make sure I do have 434, and then move on to the next step. Everything matches up, so we're good. So now I'm just gonna figure out the denominations, and I usually just get the largest bills, the least amount of bills for each thing. So auto is a 10, lots of 5s this week. Electronics is a 5. Emergency is a 15, which I think my bank now gives 5s and 1s out of the ATM, which is good. I don't think they do 10s. I need to double check because usually I have to go in to get the cash. But if they do 5s, or maybe they just do 10s. I forgot which one it is. If they do 10s, I don't know. I still have to ask for 10s or 5s. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to ask them which one it is. Okay, all of these are 5s. Okay, and then we have 10, a 5. Treat yourself is 15, so that's 10 and a 5. And then lots of 5s here, or more 5s. I have 2 here, so that's 1, 2. And then a 5. Cash dash is 20. 100 envelope is 10, another 10. $10 challenge is 20, but it's 2 10s. And then $5 challenge is 10, so 2 5s and then the 2 1s. All right, now I'm gonna count up the tallies. 1 or 50, I have 1. 20s, 3, 4. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5s, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, and then 1s, 2, 4, 9. All right, looks good so far, I think. Okay, so now I just need to count make sure all of this totals out correctly. So 50s, $50, 20s, I need 4, so that's $80. And then 160, I think this is 135, 27 times 5, 135, and then 9. Okay, let me calculate this now. 50, 80, 160, 135, and 9. 434, perfect. All right, so just gonna grab a little sticky note and write this down. So I have 50 times 1, which is $50. 20s times 4, which is 80. 10s, I need 16. So that's 160. 5s, I need 27, and that is 135. And then 1s, 9. That is $9. So the total is $434. All right, so I'm gonna take that to the bank, give that to the teller, and then get that cash. That way I can cash stuff for next week. or for this week. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much. Again, I will have my restock of, if you saw these binders, I have envelopes like the Monstera leaves. I'll have these on the shop. I will have these restocked. These will be there. I have some fun envelopes like this one, Disneyland. I think I have a Christmas one. Those will be restocked as well. So definitely check it out. My shop is linked down in the description if you would like to shop. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.